For the next 7 days, the textile industry is focusing on the modern and traditional lively city of Milan. Milan has a long-standing tradition in fashion, garmenting and textiles. And now it's the host of the world's largest textile and garment exhibition. You will experience a tremendous number of innovation and trends that will transform the world of textiles. It's a firework of new ideas that will ensure the growth of your business and keep you at the peak of technology. The high demands of sustainable manufacturing and the trend for circular economy are physically felt in every step that you take on the exhibition floor. Exhibitors and visitors are here to meet not only each other, but to shake hands with the future that will make your business successful. Experience innovation in action as we enter a new era of intelligent and flexible manufacturing.